I'm Dr. Arpana. I'm a homeopathic consultant. I welcome you all to this channel. So in this channel, we talk about the wonderful homeopathic medicines. How can homeopathic medicines help us in the various medical conditions? And today we will be discussing about one such very important medicine for the respiratory system, and that is ACALYPHA indica, also known as the Indian ACALYPHA. So ACALYPHA is a boon for respiratory complaints like bronchitis, pneumonia, tuberculosis or coughing followed by hemoptysis. If you are new to my channel and if you love homeopathy, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon so that you do not miss any information that I share with you all through this channel. So let's get started. So ACALYPHA indica or the Indian ACALYPHA, it grows as an annual on the roadsides, maybe gardens or wasteland. It's not an ornamental plant, but it's a great boon to the homeopaths, especially for treating cases of cough like dry, hard cough which is followed by hemoptysis. Acaliphin and triacetoamine, they are responsible for the medicinal values that we get from this wonderful plant. Now, ACALYPHA indica can be used widely for respiratory complaints, for gastric complaints or for the complaints pertaining to the gastrointestinal tract when we see that there is hemorrhage and the character of the blood is bright red. So, hemoptysis of bright red color, or maybe there is passage of bright red blood with the stools. So in these cases, we can consider the medicine ACALYPHA indica. ACALYPHA indica will help in cases of maybe long lasting cough, when the cough is very dry, deep, barking kind of a cough, and there is always this pain in the chest, there is some congestion, there is some heaviness in the chest, burning in the chest along with the coughing. We can use this medicine in cases of long-lasting bronchitis, pneumonia or even tuberculosis. We know that tuberculosis being an infectious disease with a very high mortality rate, so the cases can be treated. So it is very important that you seek medical advice and get a proper treatment if at all you or anyone you know is suffering from tuberculosis. Now coming back to the ACALYPHA indica part. So ACALYPHA indica can be used in tuberculosis along with the conventional system of medicines. We can also consider the medicine in cases of MDR, that is multi-drug resistance. Now again, when we talk of tuberculosis, tuberculosis is also not just limited to the disease of the lungs or the respiratory system. You can have tuberculosis in like practically any part of the body. It can be present in the abdomen, lymph node, the spine, the joints. So basically anywhere tuberculosis can happen. So ACALYPHA indica will be a very useful medicine for the respiratory complaints when there will be hemoptysis, that is bright red blood with the cough. And there is also one peculiar symptom that the cough or the sputum or the discharge of the blood or hemoptysis, it will be bright red in the morning time, and as the day progresses, that is towards the afternoon and towards the evening, the blood will be kind of clotted in nature. So that is how we understand the medicine ACALYPHA and what kind of blood do we see. There can also be discharge of bright red blood with the stools, and it can come again from maybe abdominal tuberculosis. So tuberculosis and ACALYPHA, bronchitis and ACALYPHA, pneumonia and ACALYPHA, or maybe some long lasting chronic cough and ACALYPHA, they have a very good role, and ACALYPHA has a very good role to play. ACALYPHA is used in lower potencies, so it should be used in mother tincture, and the dosage can vary from like 10 drops or 15 drops or 20 drops based on the condition of the patients. So what we normally do, we'll ask you to take like 10 drops in half cup of water, and you need to drink the water 3 times a day. So that is how the homeopathic medicines or the mother tincture, they should be taken. And ACALYPHA, a very very good medicine whenever we consider or whenever we think of respiratory complaints and with a very very dry hacking cough, ACALYPHA can be used. I hope you have liked the information about the homeopathic medicine ACALYPHA indica. So do not forget to share the video with your friends and family. You can comment on the video. You can also subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you wish to book an appointment with me, you can go to my website Dr.Arpana.com and you can very easily book your appointment from there. You can also send a message through WhatsApp in our office WhatsApp number, and there also you will be provided with all the details for booking an appointment. Always remember, when a healthy body and a healthy mind resides together, diseases disappear. Thank you so much for watching.